Well, she's gone. We're tentless.
I don't know, it's up to you. We got almost the whole thing.
It's just mostly the bulk of it. So this is the annex, the room itself.
Put that back here.
Then this, once the tent is set up, right to the right of the ladder, these
For
straps
the shoe.
for your shoes. I think we did it our first time and didn't do it again. Here's the stakes for the
Stakes.
guidelines. Here's the awning rods. Oh yeah.
But then, oops, got it? But it had to be paid for before it left this farm. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We did order the replacement, what we're going with next, but they are back ordered, so it could be a little bit. I'm not sure how long. They're telling us about 3 weeks. So we'll see. Hopefully they come through. Stay with us, see what's coming next, and I'll get some other videos out in between now and our next camping trip.